Tubukiran is a portmanteau word for tubo and kabukiran or tubos kabukiran, which offers great opportunities to the residents. Beyond its context, tubo is the heart of the people, which symbolizes the hard work, perseverance, unity, and resiliency of obedience towards achieving aspirations and success despite the trials of life. Aside from showcasing the lack of sakadas from land preparation or arado to harvesting or pagtabas, the dance also portrays and highlights the success of every family amidst the challenges in life and standing steadfast in providing the needs of every family member, most especially for food and education. Though most of the sugarcane workers receive less attention and are paid less, sakadas continue to thrive and persevere for the betterment of family. The dance is divided into 6 segments, namely Pagpaniwag sa Nag-Adlaw, which shows the love, dedication of the parent and to even sacrifice himself to become sakadas in order to sustain the needs of and the education of their children. Pag-arado, or the process of preparing the land for planting. This also reflects the common activities done by the sakada. Pananong, ang pag-abuno, which showcases the way of planting sugarcane in the field as well as the cultivation of the planted sugarcane. More so, pagtapaska pagkarga was also integrated in the dance as this is the most important process in the sugarcane industry. Panwildo at pangumpra, where sakadas receive their hard-earned pay after a long day of work and buying the needs for their family. The last part of the dance portrays the Thanksgiving or pagpasalamat for the bountiful harvest, good weather condition, and healthy body. The last segment will also highlight a family which is able to produce graduates despite their economic status in life, thus teaching us that no matter what our status or disposition in life, with love, dedication, and perseverance, we will be able to achieve our goals for ourselves and for our family. Furthermore, Tubukiran Festival was created to showcase the positive traits of obedience as well as giving thanks to the bountiful harvest of sugarcane in the said barangay. Mabinians prayed to their patron saint, San Lorenzo Ruiz and Santo Niño de Cadiz, also fueled their thirst to become successful in the future and is being reflected to people offering thanksgiving to these patron saints. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to our contingent number 2, Tubukiran Festival! High School Mambini Farm School, headed by their student, Mr. Martian Cito, and of course our in charge we have Mom Riza Argent.